Welcome to Salesforce Training. In this demonstration, we're going to learn about tasks on both desktop and mobile. A task is a planned activity with a due date. You can access a list of tasks from the home screen in today's task or from the Task tab on the navigation menu. You can filter your tasks using the list views provided: My Task, Today, All Overdue, Completed within the last 7 days, and Delegated. Overdue tasks have a red due date. To complete a task, you can either click the checkbox next to the task in any list, or you can click the task to add more detail. The side panel shows the detail of the selected task, and the action buttons allow you to edit the task, delete the task, edit comments, or you can click the drop-down to change the due date, status, or priority. To create a task reminder, simply click the Create Reminder checkbox and fill out the date and time of the reminder. Tasks will also show up in the record that it is related to. When editing the task, you can select the type of record the task is related to and then search for that specific record. You can delegate tasks to other users simply by editing the task and changing the Assigned To user of the task. As part of your daily routine, check the home screen to view all tasks that are due today. And for a more complete view of your tasks, click the drop-down to view different list views of your tasks. We will now take a look at how to access tasks on your mobile device. After logging into the mobile app, click the menu icon on the upper left-hand corner. Scroll down and tap the Task icon. From the Task homepage, you can search for tasks, create a new task, or select one of the list views of your tasks. You can tap a task to view the details of the task, or tap the Related tab to view the record related to this task. The action buttons on the bottom of the screen let you log a call, create a follow-up task, edit the current task, delete the current task, or show more options like edit comments, make changes to the status, due date, or priority. When you edit the task, you can make any changes or add a reminder and click Save. Go to the Salesforce CRM Connections community for more videos, user guides, and support.